Back with another unboxing. Today we have Supreme and the Crow collaboration, which released last week. As far as shipping goes, Supreme, so it's good shipping. Took like a week to get here. Actually, like a week and 1 day. I ordered it last Thursday during the drop, and it came today, which is Friday. But this won't upload today. It'll probably be like next week or something. So what is the item? What's inside here? This is the Raglan. I forget exactly what they called it, but it's just like a big face. It's the same one that they used on the leather jacket. I'm sure you guys probably already know. It's probably in the thumbnail or something. But this collaboration was very good, in my opinion, and people were sleeping on it. But I said this in my drop list video, and I actually had somebody else who agreed with me, and I was seeing it in like Supreme community and Drops by Jay comments. But a lot of people were comparing this collaboration to the Akira collaboration, which I actually have up there. I think the Neo Tokyo Akira long sleeve, which that collaboration also had a similar drop, but I think it did have a lot more hype than this Crow one. I think overall that collaboration was better, yes, but I think they're both very comparable. They both use this like source material that's pretty big for their like visual adaptation, the Akira film obviously, and then the Crow film. I don't think the Crow comics are that big. Maybe the Akira manga or whatever was bigger, but the Akira collaboration also, you know, like I said, used like comic strips for the collaboration, so a lot of the pieces were these black and white ones, and it was the same with the Crow. They did give some colored pieces, but for the most part, a lot of the pieces were using these little like comic strip panels for the design. But to go back and talk about the Akira collaboration, I got that long sleeve off of a restock, and before that, I had copped, I think, one other t-shirt, and I sold that. And then I got that long sleeve off a restock, and you know, that kind of shows how the collaboration wasn't really moving that fast. And I think I checked like a day after, and this was still in stock, which makes sense. This is a Raglan, it's a baseball jersey. It's the same as the Ghost Rider one that I wear in a lot of my videos. I think one of the last ones I just filmed I was wearing. But anyway, the price on this is crazy. I don't even want to say because it's just a long sleeve, and I paid dumb money for it, especially when you include tax and shipping. So I just really like the design, and I'm a huge fan of the blank that they use for those Raglans. It's a super soft material. But with that being said, we'll get it open. I guess I don't have too much else to talk about other than the collaboration was slept on so hard. People really missed out, in my opinion. Also, don't know what the stickers look like because there wasn't too much hype around that week. I don't think I saw any of the stickers being uploaded, so I'm not sure what the collaboration stickers look like, or if they did collaboration stickers. I see a gift in there actually, but here it is. This is the face I was talking about. If you guys are familiar with the leather jacket, it's the same face, but there's one small detail that's different between this piece and the leather jacket, and I'm not sure why they did this, but on the leather jacket, the chin actually has a sharp cut, so the graphic doesn't go all the way down. And one of the things I really like about this graphic is how it fades into the blank color, the black, you know, all the edges are kind of like faded off and it's not super sharp. But on the leather jacket, you can see in the product images that there's a sharp cut on it, maybe from the paneling or something like that with the leather piece, but I wasn't a fan of that on the jacket. All right, so what kind of free stuff did Supreme send us? They sent us 2 box logos. I know they're doing the like transparent box logos this season, some of them for like week 1. I think these are both just 2 normal plain box logos. Doesn't look like there were any collaboration stickers, which is kind of whack. The Supreme Akira one had the Neo Tokyo box logo, which was really cool, and they also had some other really cool stickers that I actually saved. I'm sitting around somewhere. But also got another one of the free gifts, which are the Supreme mini playing cards. So kind of hyped about this. I'm sure one of my friends will want to pick them up. But back to the main course. Let's get this open. Comes in a nice Supreme Ziploc bag like usual. They're not giving out the totes. They haven't been doing that for a long time, but shout out to people who have just piles of totes sitting around. And this is the shirt. Man, I think this is so cool. I love just the big graphic tees like this, especially these Raglans have a really vintage feel to it, like a vintage wash and style to it anyway. You can see the back, you know, you can probably see through it a little bit with the light. I know it's not super bright in here, but you can kind of see like how thin it is, so it's super comfortable. I love the fit on it. It is similar to that of like a baseball tee, so the sleeves are going to be longer than 3/4, but not as long as, you know, a normal shirt. And then the side is this like scallop, as if it were a baseball cut. You know, it's a raglan, so it's what you would expect from one of those. But with that being said, I went ahead and got an XL because, like I mentioned, I have the Ghost Rider one that's also an XL. I love the fit of it, so why switch that up? And with that being said, let me try this on, and then I'll show you guys the like on body and whatnot. So I'll be right back. All right, here we are, and this actually fits, or it feels like it fits a little bit longer than the Ghost Rider one I have, but I know the Ghost Rider one has been washed a couple times. I actually got that used for under retail, ungrailed. Kind of a pickup I was proud of anyway. And if you guys didn't see before, we have this nice like Supreme block letter, outline block letter going down both of the sleeves, which I think is a cool touch. Usually since the sleeves are shorter and I have like really long arms, just got that wingspan, you know, I'll roll it up so you only get a little bit of the Supreme spell up. I think it's a cool touch. And then you got this big crow hit on the center, big crow face from the manga. I wasn't sure if this was from the movie or not, since it's like a colored in image, but looking at it closely, you can definitely tell it's a drawing, and people were saying that it was from the comics. So that's all I've got for you guys though. I'm happy with it. These things are so comfortable, but you know, for the price, I would really hope that's a super nice piece, but you know, it definitely is. Man, I love these blanks. I've actually been looking at more of them. There's like a Boris something collaboration. I forget what his last name is, from, I'll say like 2013, somewhere around there. Definitely, it was before I got into Supreme, but they had some really cool raglans. Same exact thing though. Same like material, same spell out going down the sleeves. I just like it. I think it's really cool. It's a dope graphic. It was a little pricey, but I'm happy with the purchase. And that's all I've got. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.